Hello everyone. I'm just trying to solve this Rubik's cube now. This 3 into 3 cube. I do solve this, but today I'm trying to solve it within 3 minutes. So let me try. I'm doing it for first time on YouTube now. For YouTube actually, I'm doing it. So let me start my time. If you wanna see me jumping it up, I can do it more. So let me jump it more. However possible. So okay, let me start my time on exactly count of 50 seconds actually. Yes, start. It needs patience, which I'm trying to have. You need to place the pieces on the right side. First thing I'm trying to do is solving this top layer. You can see, if you can see the white one, the top layer, I'm trying to solve this. Top layer is done, first layer is done. I'm gonna try to solve the second layer. I did it wrong. I'm not that fast in this. There are people who do it very fast. Yeah, my second layer is done. Okay. So I'm about to finish it. I don't know how much time I've taken. Done. I think I've done it in 3 minutes, I believe. It's 4 and 38 seconds. So I started in 50 seconds. No, I'm not. Okay. Fine. This is it.